impact guard can be added to protect the knee against impacts. The elastic cord comes installed on the impact guard. However, you may need to reattach or replace the cord. Take the elastic cord and fold it into a loop. Feed the loop through from the liner side of the upper guard and weave the elastic cord through the hooks as shown. Center the elastic cord. Feed the loop ends through the holes of the lower guard and hook the loop ends to the lower guard tabs. Lift up the upper liner to expose the mounting tab location. Place the impact guard onto the brace as shown. Secure the upper guard with the provided screw. Use a T20 torque screwdriver to tighten the screw. Do not over-tighten. Repeat the previous steps with the lower guard. Replace the upper and lower frame liner into the brace. Apply the brace.